jay. She makes the most weird noises. Yeah. There's two of them. Yes, it is. It's two beautiful blue jays. I don't want to scare them away. So I'm just gonna have to. Yes, I knew I heard them. They make different noise. Yeah. Hi. Hello. Hello, pretty bird. Yeah, the pigeons didn't eat up all the birdseed today. I'm telling you, I'm so surprised. I just woke up from a nap and I just heard them squawk, 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 squawk. Hi. Oh. Two birdies. I mean, a guy with two doggies. That was a guy that walks the dogs. Oh, come on, birdie, come back. Please come back.